I'll let you drive it one time and you break it.
It's because you got on the wrong side. Where are we going?
Chrysler Murray, 2025.
So we just hit a bit of roadworks on the trip down, and what's going on?
Well, just have a look for yourself, mate. She's getting hot.
That's right around on the gauge. That says 120 degrees Celsius. Oh, it's rolling back around now.
Right. She's right.
She's right. She's fine. She's fine. Foot down. Power out of it.
Yeah, it's working.
It's coming down?
Yeah, full throttle works.
Yeah, sweet.
I wasn't even worried.
Little bit of right foot sorted it out.
Yeah.
I think we should stop for lunch at Gundagai.
I think so. Check for action behind that belt.
So, just pulled over.
Oh yeah, she's cool.
Yeah. The gauge is nearly hitting the pin on the other side.
Yeah, nah, real cool. Don't feel it.
Yeah, I'm just getting the gauge nearly hitting the pin. Nothing like a little adventure. Oh yeah, there's a little bit. It's warm. That's all right, we'll just sit here for a minute, cool down.
Should be right. I was just glad in. Alright, let's watch Tom burn the fuck out of himself. Oh yeah.
The idea is to not let go.
Oh, your tea's ready, mate.
What's the plan?
We're gonna go get some ice and some water. I've got coolant.
Put ice cubes in there, you reckon?
Yeah.
Got water in that tank.
No, I was gonna drink like 20 waters and then piss in it. I'll let you drive it one time and you break it.
It's because you got on the wrong side.
Oh well.
But he's just been to town to try and get another cap, but no luck. I've let it cool down, put a bit of extra water in it. And it's brought down the temp, but
Quick, let's go before it heats up again.
I'll just go to the next stop before it overheats.
Yeah.
Hey guys, just jumping into this video real quick to let you know we have had a rendering done by the one and only Drop Mutt, Ev Danes of my Swiss Motors EH Ute. We're going to be doing a run of shirts and hoodies, just like we did in our initial run. We're going to hold pre-order for the month of March only, so the 4 weeks in March, or 4.5 weeks in March. Pre-orders are open. You can buy yourself a shirt or a hoodie, or we're doing combo packs for both. Make sure you get yours soon. Pre-orders only in March. We'll have the orders in April and sent straight out to you. Hoodies will be just in time for winter and not this glorious summer we've had so far in Australia. All right, guys, that's all. Links in the bio. Let's get back to the video. What's the ticket?
This belt. Put your finger in that fucking hot intubate.
Ow! 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 Fuck!
Yeah, that's it.
So what's that one?
That is 1180.
So what was the other two he gave you?
Smaller than that.
But try that 1170 because you want it a bit short because you want to get a bit of tension on it.
Honest quite
And this, well, yeah, because I'm just looking like you still got a little bit out, but you still got a little bit in too. So, as you can see, guys, there's a bit of coolant on the deck.
Yeah, I'll just take two of them. Fuck
Yeah. So, got a bit warm on the highway. Not because the belt broke, we're just grabbing a spare just in case, because the belt's looking
pretty crusty,
pretty aged out. We're going to swap the cap because we think that's a non-return cap, and we're going to try and jerry rig a bit of an overflow tonight. So if it pukes, at least you can pull some back in. How's that sound, mate?
Sounds like we're working tonight.
Oh yeah, we might have to pull the radiator because there was a couple of floaties.
That's right. After beverages and stairs we got.
How do they sell cool the car down?
Are we going to get some tequila? Or...
You can get some tequila. Are you going to pour that straight in the radiator? Is that...
Yeah, that's going straight in the radiator.
Yeah,
Cools it
zero
right
sugar, yeah, because it's, it'll like cool it.
Yeah, 100%.
Perfect. Good work, mate.
Yeah, we'll flush it. Yeah, we'll flush it now. It's only 9 o'clock, it's young.
What are you doing? Flushing the toilet or flushing the radiator?
Why would we flush the toilet? That's a waste of water.
So what'd you get?
So we've got a new cap.
Why?
Well, this one wasn't working.
That one looks like it's missing the rubber seal in there.
Yeah, and it was like...
Yeah, because it was probably missing the rubber seal.
So yeah, I'm going to flush this, but...
It's a bit hard to see, you can't... It's in there. A couple of floaties.
Just like the toilet.
Yeah. Does the new cap fit? Have you tried that?
Yeah, of course.
Do it up. Come on.
Hands are all greasy from ribs.
Difference is that's a return cap. I suspect that's a non-return cap. We will get a milk bottle tomorrow and...
Nah, I got the perfect bottle. Always record.
Fucking too eager beaver.
Yeah, so we'll just drink this tonight and then we'll just mount that in there.
How much was that bottle worth again? Was that the $500 bottle?
This is the cheap bottle.
Oh, $150 bottle.
Yeah, so we'll just smash this tonight and then we'll just
knock a hole in the top.
Yeah.
Overflow.
Yeah.
Good job.
It's a borrowed hose there.
Borrowed. What are you gonna do?
We're gonna drop the coolant on this water.
Water. Is that a certified collection point?
Yep.
Good. There is a drain there, people. Don't fucking get your knickers in a twist.
That's worse. Don't tell them that.
So we're going to try and reverse flush the radiator, because I noticed earlier there's a couple of floaties in that top tank. So we're going to pull the top hose off. Sax, hang on, stop. That hose should really be over the drain a bit better. That was my fault. I thought it was on the side. Get in the car.
It'll be fine.
Okay.
I've got 24 bottles of water.
I mean, we've got a hose there. Probably don't need to use the bottles of water.
Oh, dog. That's better. Oh, okay. That's why it's not working.
It's a socket head.
Yeah, but
You silly
my
bugger.
head was too big.
Your head's too big. Why don't you just pull the tap out of the other side?
I've got to drop this anyway.
I suppose. Do you grease those lines before you put them on? So it should just slip off real nicely.
Sure. Whatever you want to hear, mate.
Oh, that's a good tap.
Sick.
What the fuck?
Well, that tap's blocked for sure.
No, it's dripping. It just dripped.
Yeah,
It's
but
starting to
it
drip.
should be gushing.
Yeah, I know it should be absolutely gushing. Alright, pull the hoses off, let the pressure out, and
pressure.
Let's make a mess.
Oh, we can do that.
Okay. I use that collection point there. Floaties.
Nothing bad's come out yet, mate. I don't know what you're talking about.
It's alright. So we're just trying to reverse flush it, because obviously the water comes out of the thermostat into the top tank and normally blocks the top of the core, so we're just trying to push some of the blockages out if we can. Ooh, a motor flush. see if it blows a bit of water out that top hose in a second.
At one.
Should put a little bit out past the thermostat. Not.
I hope not. It should be closed.
Yeah, but there's still a pinhole in the thermostat. You should get a little bit out.
That's if there's the thermostat.
That's if there's a thermostat in there. He makes a good point, yours. Yeah. So he made a big mess.
No, we cleaned the fucking.
Yeah, into the drain.
Yeah.
Then we finished my sentence before we fucking butt in. So we tried to flush it back out. Have we?
Yeah, it's way better.
There is still a few party rocks in there, but
That's right. We got. Where is it in the car?
yeah, it's on the back seat.
That's radiator flush.
Radiator flush. So we're hoping that maybe loosens some of the shit up. How does it operate? Blah 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 blah. So this says drain the radiator, which we have done. I'm going to start shaking this up so I can spray it all over sacks. Refill with clean water, add this, run for 10 to 15 minutes, and then drain system and refill with coolant. We're just going to refill it with water because if it doesn't work, Saxon's pulling the radiator out.
No, I'm not.
Not tonight, I didn't say you were tonight.
I will.
We're hoping this tries to help flush some of that junk out. What'd be good is if we had a bit of stocking actually to put under that top hose. Just to catch some of the rocks and shit.
You've got something, don't you? You cross-dressed, don't you?
You're the one with the ponytail. Don't you tell me you cross-dresses. For me to wipe my nose on, but I was just having to say to Sax, it's gonna get hot, so it's gonna try and push a bit of that rubbish out of the block, we hope. So to try and catch any sediment, I just want to make like a bit of a temporary screen filter. So I've just got like a bit of clear rag. I might actually cut that in half again. Get that knife on your Sax. So I just want it to, yeah, act like a bit of a screen without getting caught in the radiator. Purely just to catch any of the build-up, any of the shit that does or might come out. It's not going to, provided it doesn't leak, doesn't matter, we're only flushing it here anyway, we can drop the water in 20 minutes regardless. But yeah, just to try and stop any of those, what do you call them, power rocks?
Power rocks, mate. Go fast rocks.
Cooling rocks. Or
No,
overheating rocks.
Definitely not cooling rocks.
Yeah. Anyway. We may as well just add that whole bastard in.
I'll go turn the hose on.
One bottle to 15 litres. How much does that hold?
I don't fucking know.
15 litres. Oh, it's got a little one. I was upset. I was hoping it smelled like blue Gatorade. Tangy. Ah. Woo! Is that just edging the hose off the inlet?
Possibly good.
Well, that was uneventful. I thought it was going to go. It's warm, eh?
I'm just doing the pressure a little bit.
So what'd you do?
Well, we don't know if we fixed it yet, so we'll find out in the morning.
So we flushed it. What did we put in there? The radiator
Radiator flush.
Radiator flush. Did that. Then we dropped all the coolant back out of it because it got nice and hot. There was a little bit of shiny glitter on that sock, wasn't there?
And we cooked it again.
That's fine.
That's great.
And then we just very slowly filled it back up because we didn't want to crack the cast iron block. And there was a mechanic on board and he reckons it's pretty good, so we will
Take for a drive in the morning.
yeah, come back in the morning and have a look. Yeah, see you tomorrow.
As I say, John's right over directly underneath the audio tank.